y'all, I'm back today with another video. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a wig review on this lovely unit that I have here. This unit was sent to me by this Chinese hair extensions company called ReadyWig. So yeah, and you guys are gonna be super shocked about the color. Okay, because it's not what I would, you know, it's not what I usually do. Anyway, so what came with the wig was these two things. They sent me this little mini spray bottle, and they also sent me this pack of 2 wig caps. So let's go ahead and open this box. I'm gonna take this unit off, try this one on, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts on this unit. So
hey Common, it's me. I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you. Call me back.
So this is what I came up with. Let me know in the comment section down below how y'all are feeling about this color, about the style of the unit, or just about the unit overall. Okay, so onto the specs of this unit. Once again, there are 3 combs at the front, no comb at the nape. There are adjustable straps. This is in the color Greyish Sage, and on camera it's really coming off as like a gray color, so it looks really pretty, like storm type vibes, you know what I'm saying? And last but not least, is this unit beginner friendly? I'm gonna say yeah. I didn't have to do too much to get her to look nice. Like, she's just really pretty, nice, and not natural, but definitely, like, this is a really nice unit, and I definitely feel like she's worth your buy. Yeah, I really do like this unit. Like, I was super impressed by the hairline. Like, it's just so pretty to me. It's not like over plucked, but it's still like really nice. I've seen worse on a lace front unit. So but yeah, and another thing that I didn't like, I guess I should have said it earlier, was I didn't like that I had to make my own baby hairs, because they claimed that baby hairs come on the unit, but I couldn't find them. So but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and let her know Chastity sent you. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see y'all on my next video. Bye, loves.